Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me the Sunbeam Steammaster iron. And it is mostly blue colored. You have the handle right here in the center. Light which tells you that it's on. 2 buttons to control the mist, the steam valves. You have this section up here that controls how hot it gets. You can twist this knob right here to turn to the style of clothing you want to use the iron on. Whichever works best for you. You have linen, cotton, wool, silk. This is what the other side looks like. Underneath, there's the hot plate right there. It's the back side, how to use it. How to retract the cord and put it back in. It does come with a long cord that looks like this. You can get quite a reach with it. Fits in any standard wall outlet. Yeah, it's a good iron, good quality, does its job very well. Try it out for yourself.